Hi guys, this is Hector. I'm looking into a possible trade today early morning in the 4th of May in the Australian dollars against the Canadian dollar. It's a trade that is a formation that I trade very often because it's basically it's a trade that has been working out very nicely for me in the past, and I'm gonna take this trade in demo because the spread in my live broker for this currency pair, the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar, is way too large. Okay, I usually limit myself to trades with 7 pip spread cost or lower. This one is larger than that, so I will take it on demo. Just for the sake of it, this setup looks way too nicely to let it go, but I'm not gonna trade it live, right? Anyway, it's basically a triangle formation, okay, as you can see in the direction of the main trend as set by the moving averages. There is a triple bottom at the round number 09100, okay, and I'm looking for a breakout to the downside. I will zoom into the 15 minutes chart. If the breakout occurs to the upside, I will let this thing go. Just want to see how it actually goes. Okay, how whether this setup works, this price formation works once again for me or not. But like I say, it's a demo trade. All right. So basically, I'm looking, like in any other type of breakout in the direction of the trend. I am looking for a breakout to the downside, then a retrace in the shorter time frame, and a continuation of the move. All right. Well, let's see how it goes. If we get the breakout, I will update the video and let you guys know. All right. Okay. Bye bye. Hi guys, just a quick update that well, the breakout has actually occurred to the downside. Okay, we've got a 1 bar pullback below this double bottom formation and up below the 9100. Alright, so I would have just triggered my entry if this was a live trade, and the stop loss would have been placed right there. Okay, let's see how these things goes, just for the sake of it, just for the fun. Alright, the distance as usual is the measuring the widest range of the triangle and add it to the breakout point. It's about 0.9060. Okay, it should be somewhere around there. That would be the target. Okay, so this trade would be more or less be a 25 pip 30 pip actually 30 pip trade. Okay, without the spread cost. Okay, like I said, it's just for the fun of it. I'm not taking any live trade on this setup. It's just for the sake of it. I want to follow it, whether this setup actually follows through once again or not. Okay, all right, let's see. Bye bye. Hi guys, just a final update. It's been about an hour and a half since the last update. So you can see the target was definitely met. It was somewhere around here. Okay, and it was each shot about 10 pips lower than that. Once again, this type of setup has followed through. Okay, it's a beautiful setup, a setup that I like trading myself very often. Okay, basically seen in the 1 hour chart, the trend was clearly down as pointed by the moving averages. Then we have a triangle that gives way in the direction of the trend. We have a breakout, a pullback, and a continuation aspect of it. Okay, as you can see in the breakout chapter of my trading course, it's explained there. Basically, whenever you break any level, the way I tried it is waiting for the aspect number 1, which is the breakout. Then you wait for the pullback, and finally the continuation. Okay, that will be the aspect number 1. Pullback will be aspect number 2, and the continuation will be the aspect number 3. As you make new lows, that's the entry to the signal to enter the short. Stop loss is here. Well, target price was around there. Just like I say, it was just for the fun of it, for the sake of it. It didn't profit in my live account from this trade. It was just, just to follow it through and see if this kind of setups, a flat bottom triangle in the direction of the trend, delivers once again. And as you can see, it has finally indeed delivered. Okay, once again, we've seen the breakout, the pullback, and the continuation, and well, the target was nicely met. Alright, that was all, just like I say, it was just for the sake of it, for the fun. Okay, bye bye.